Good evening, my little chickadees. I am going to be out today. I guess I should say tomorrow because it's Sunday and I'm recording it. I will be back Tuesday, but I want to make sure that you are not missing any information. So please watch both recordings that I'm sending you in the short clip, okay? And then check out what to do for small group. All right, good morning, good morning. So, birthdays coming up this week. We have Derek, he's having a birthday. And then we've had Malia and Madison had their birthdays already. So, happy birthday, Derek. I hope you have a great birthday on Tuesday. I'll wish you happy birthday then as well. All right, this week we're going to be working on baseball and opinion writing, math, denominators of 10, 100, and we're starting decimals. Get ready. Science, solvents and solutions, history, wood, land, people, and John Smith, art, the Brooklyn Bridge, lamps, and windows. Should be fun. Okay, so I want to take a minute and I want you guys to think about how you can be a heart friend. What is a heart friend, you might ask? Well, the H stands for helpful. You're always ready to lend a hand to a friend in need, which all of you guys do in class. You guys are so great at being a good, helpful friend. Encouraging, always supporting your friends. Accepting, accept and love your friends for who they are. Respectful, attentive to others' wishes, rights, and traditions. And trustworthy, trust and look out for each other. So after we are done with our Monday morning meeting, I want you to watch this short clip on two kids. It's the kid president and how he can make a new friend who seems very different from him. All right, we're going to go ahead and jump into writing. And so get ready. All right, so this week in writing, we're going to be looking at multiple meaning words. So we're going to be, our standard is determine or clarify the meaning of unknown and multiple meaning words and phrases based on grade 4 reading and content. So we're going to be using those context clues to find out what that meaning is, okay? So if we come across a word that we don't know, well, what should you do? How can you figure it out? Which word is it? So we're going to look all around that word to figure out which meaning or definition it is, which one fits the text best, okay? So here's an example, plant. A plant could be an actual plant that is a living thing, that's a noun, or it could be a verb, something that you do when you're putting something in the ground, like a seed, right? So vocabulary, determine, to figure out, to make a decision about, identify, to locate, to define, to state what something is or means, and multiple meaning words, words that have more than one meaning. Example, show. You can go to a show or you can show the class something, right? We're looking at those context clues. And if you look right there, text is underlined. That means you're looking at the clues in the text to help you understand that word. Do you know any words that are multiple meaning? All right, so let's go ahead and use those context clues. My sister is great at playing the organ. Playing the organ. Okay, so organ here. Are they playing with like a heart? That type of organ? So if we look down here, organ could be a musical instrument or a part of the body that performs a specialized job. Well, if you're playing with it, I doubt she's playing with a body part, right? So she is definitely playing that musical instrument. The heart is a major organ in the human body. Well, is the heart a musical instrument? Nope. It is a part of the body that performs a specialized job. Okay. There was a loud racket when the bookcase fell over. Racket. Could mean a loud noise or it could mean it's a tool that's used to hit a ball. So there was a large tool that was used to hit a ball. No, it's a loud noise. I play tennis with my new racket. So that would be the second one. It's kind of fun. I like multiple meaning words. Okay, so when we're looking at that, when we're looking at a multiple meaning word, you can look at the dictionary for the different ones. So if we looked at foul, we could have foul, a bad smell, foul, violation of rules of a game, plot, the events from a story, plot, a small piece of land. Okay? So in this one, you would look at the word and decide which one it was. You could say it's the adjective or the noun. And then how did you know that? What was the context clues? So for this one, the referee called foul when Jessica broke the rules and grabbed the other player. It's talking about a game. It's not talking about anything smelling. So I would say the meaning of foul is violation of the rules of a game because the context clues is referring to a student or a person breaking the rules in breaking the rules in a game, right? The second one, the garbage can had a foul smell coming from it. The meaning of foul is a very bad smell because of the context clues was talking about a garbage can smell. Okay, so why don't you try these ones on your own and decide which one it would be based off of those context clues. You fill in the blank. Go ahead and pause it here, and when you're ready, go ahead and come back. Okay, in which sentence does the word catch have the same meaning that is in the sentence below? Okay, let's see. I had to run to catch the bus before it left. My mom always tells me to wear a coat outside so I do not catch a cold. My brother and I like to catch tadpoles in the pond. My friends yell at me to hurry and catch up. Well, which ones are the same? Go ahead and look at that. All right, so if you chose A and D, you are right. They're trying to catch up to something, right? Okay. What about draw? Which two have the same draw? Mr. Quigley asked his butler to draw a bath for him. Our teacher taught us how to draw conclusions today. The game was a draw. I had to draw a likeness of my dog on the flyer. Well, to draw a bath means to make him a bath. Our teacher taught us how to draw conclusions. It means to pull out, right? And the game was a draw like a tie. And I had to draw a likeness on my dog of on a flyer, and that's actually drawing. Which ones do you choose? Okay, how are you guys feeling on these multiple meaning words? I bet you guys are doing great because you guys are smarty pants. Okay, so when we get to breakout rooms, if you're one or a two, you're going to choose the one or two worksheet. If you chose a three or a four, then I want you to challenge yourself, okay? You get to choose. So you can go ahead and pause it here. If you chose a one or a two, I want you to go ahead and do this one. Make sure you guys can zoom in if you would like. If you chose a three or a four, go ahead and do this one here. How about I zoom it in for you, make it a little easier for you to see. And just pause it here so that you can finish it and see which word. You're going to take a word from the box and complete the sentence that fits it best. Same thing for over here. Hopefully I can make this one blown up too. There you go. All right, so go ahead and pull this here, pause this here, and figure out which one fits best for the multiple meaning words. Let me zoom on out. All right, you guys, thank you so much for coming today. I hope this helps you with your lessons coming up. Don't forget you can log this for attendance if you watch the whole thing, okay? Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I miss you, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, everybody.